Hey, what's up guys, Simrani here, back again with another video. In the previous video, I have shown you a process of optimizing a LinkedIn profile. In this video, I'm going to show you the next 4 steps with the help of which you can grow on LinkedIn, which will help you to generate leads for your interior design business via LinkedIn. So with that being said, let's get started. The next step is to build a strong network. It is said network is your net worth, and it is true in case of LinkedIn. So on Facebook, we have a friend list. On LinkedIn, we have connection list. So LinkedIn allow you to connect with up to 30,000 people on LinkedIn. So you have to make sure that you are connected with the right audience. So first 1,000 people should be interior designers or architects. 1,000 to 5,000 connections should be a mixture of interior designers, architects, real estate agents, builders, and civil engineers. And 5,000 to 30,000 people will grow organically. You don't have to do much work. You don't have to do the manual work. LinkedIn will start boosting your profile, and automatically you will get a reach, and automatically your profile will start growing on LinkedIn. So let's have a look at the search bar. Just go to search bar and type interior designers or architect or civil engineers. Once you do so, you'll have to connect with the people. So just click on people section here and start sending the connection request. Previously, LinkedIn used to allow you to send 100 plus connection requests every single day. Now they have limited the number of connection requests that you can send every week. So I believe LinkedIn allow you to send 200 to 300 connection requests every single week. So start sending connection requests on daily basis. You can send 10 to 20 connection requests every single day. While sending a connection request, you can add a note. Adding a customized note helps the chances of exception. You can write like, hey, I have gone through your profile. It is impressive. I would like to connect with a like-minded personality like you. Please accept my connection request. So when you send them a customized note for the connection request, then the chances of acceptance gets increases. So this is how you build your network. There is no other shortcut. Initially, you will have to do the manual work, and trust me guys, it is worth the efforts. So the next step is to get endorsements. What is an endorsement? Endorsement is similar to that of star rating, or we can call testimonials. It helps you to build trust. Customer will come to your profile, they'll have a look, and if they have a look at your entire profile, and especially the skill set area where you have got good number of endorsement, then it is going to build credibility, and the customer is going to hire you for your product or service. So I'll show you how you can get endorsements. Let's go to the profile, just scroll down, and here you can see that this profile has got 10 plus endorsements, and I'll show you my profile, and you can see that I have got like close to 100 endorsement for most of my skill set. So getting an endorsement, again, it is a manual work. It requires a little bit of efforts. With the help of if you use those efforts, then for sure you are going to get good number of endorsements. So I'll tell you what you have to do. So go to your existing connections on LinkedIn, and yes, you can get endorsements only from the existing connections. So go to your existing connections, and once you open the existing connections, go to any profile of your choice. Go to their profile. They will be notified that you have visited their profile. Just scroll down to the bottom, go to skills and endorsement section, and give them endorsement for their skills. Just click on plus icon, and they will be endorsed for their skills. Once you give them the endorsement, send them a message. So you'll just have to copy paste the message. Hey, I'm working on improving my profile. Can you please endorse me for my skills? Also, I have endorsed you for your skill sets. So you have to send this message to 100 plus people until you get 100 plus endorsements on your profile. The chances are 70 to 80% people who are active on LinkedIn, for sure they are going to give you endorsement. I have used the same method. There is no other shortcut for it. So do not look for shortcuts, and use the same method to get endorsements. I hope the endorsement section is clear. Now the next step is to create engaging content. See, many people make a mistake of adding the rendered images in the post. Do not do that. Do not add the rendered images inside the post until and unless it is outstanding. So do not add any rendered work. If you want to add your rendered work, add it into the featured section of your profile, but do not add it inside the post. Then how to write the content? See, there are few websites. For example, you can visit answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com is an amazing website. It is going to give you tons of questions for whatever the keyword that you enter. For example, I'm entering interior design. Just click on search. I have exhausted the number of searches. So just let me open it in another tab. Go to answerthepublic.com, enter the keyword of your choice, and it is going to give you a good number of they have tracked my IP, so they'll allow you to send they'll allow you to do 5 or 10 searches every single day. It is there. Answerthepublic.com is going to give you good number of questions. You have to select any one question of your choice and write an interesting answer to it and publish it on LinkedIn. This is how you can write engaging content. Another way to write content is to go to Quora.com. Quora.com is an amazing free forum where you will find tons and tons of content related to interior design, related to real estate industry, related to architecture industry. Just pick any topic of your choice, make few changes and publish it on LinkedIn. Another way to write a good content is to write case studies. Case studies perform really well on LinkedIn. It's going to give you a good boost on your profile. So you can write case studies. Another way to write content is to write any of your personal experiences with the customer. You may have a good or bad experience with the customer. You can share that experience on LinkedIn. So, or you can share any of your personal story on LinkedIn. This is how you write content on LinkedIn. Just make sure that do not include any links when you write a post. If you want to promote any link, just add it into the comment section. If you are promoting a YouTube link, do not add it inside a post, add it in the comment section, because when you include a link inside a post, this is going to reduce the overall reach. LinkedIn does not want the visitor to go outside LinkedIn, so they will reduce the organic reach. So you can add the link inside the first comment. And another question: at what time you should post on LinkedIn? LinkedIn is super active during the working days and the working hours, so you can post anywhere between Monday to Friday and between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And not only you'll have to write content, you will also have to engage with other people's content. So when you write content and when you engage with other people's content, LinkedIn is going to give a boost to your profile. It will show your profile to the new targeted audience. So this is how you write and engage with other people content on LinkedIn. So the next step is to changing the connect button to the follow button. What it does, the benefit of changing the connect button to the follow button is that you will start appearing in the trending section of LinkedIn. Similar to the trending section of YouTube, we have a trending section on LinkedIn. If you make a good use of it, LinkedIn is going to boost your profile in front of new targeted audience, and you will start receiving the connection requests on daily basis. So once you reach 1,000 connections or 10,000 connections on LinkedIn, just change the connect button to the follow button. So how to do so? I'll just show you. So what you have to do is just go to your profile, just click on settings and privacy, go to visibility, go to followers, and just turn on the toggle. Once you turn on the toggle to yes, your connect button will be changed to the follow button. But so I'll show you where you will start appearing. Just go to my network. I'll just show you the trending section of LinkedIn. Just scroll down. Yeah, you can see recommended people for you. So these are the trending people in your network. you can see a guy like a guy with 1600 followers is appearing into the trending section. A guy with close to 4000 followers is appearing in the trending section of LinkedIn. Again, he is not Indian. So when you see, many of the interior designers are not making a use of it. If you make a correct use of it, and if you follow all the steps, then you will start appearing in the trending section, and you for sure you're going to get a boost. So that's it about the changing the connect button to the follow button. I'll just summarize the entire process for you. In the first step, we will be we optimize the profile. Optimizing the profile is super important before starting the lead generation process. Before reaching out to anyone, before someone reaching out to you, you should have an optimized profile. Because it is going to give a good impression, it is going to build a credibility, it is going to build a trust, and for sure they are going to hire you for your product or service. And the next step is to build a strong network. The first 1000 people should be a mixture of interior designers and architects, and 1000 to 5000 people should be a mixture of interior designers, architects, civil engineers, builders, and real estate agents. And then 5000 to 30,000, the journey of 5000 to 30,000 connections will be super easy. You don't have to worry much. LinkedIn will understand your target audience, and it will start pushing your profile in front of your target audience. And the third step is to get endorsements. Getting endorsement is simple. Go to the profile of any of your existing connections, give them endorsement, send them a message that I'm working on to improve my profile. Please give me endorsement. Also, I have endorsed you for your skills. There is no shortcut for this. You'll have to follow the manual process. And the fourth step is to create engaging content. For creating the content, we go to the website answerthepublic.com or quora.com. We select any topic of our choice, we frame the content, and we publish on LinkedIn, or we write case studies, or we can share any of our existing personal experience with the customer. And you should not only focus on writing content, you should also you should also be focusing on engaging with other people's content. You have to like their posts, you have to comment on it, and you have to share on it. And if you follow all the steps, then LinkedIn is going to boost your profile. And the last and the final step is to change the connect button to the follow button to start appearing in the trending section. So this is the process of growing your profile on LinkedIn. And if you follow all the steps, then within 1 month you will see a growth in your profile. Many companies will start approaching you for your product or service. Not only people will start approaching you for product or service, but also brands will reach out to you for the brand endorsement. Yes, once you become an influencer in this particular industry, then brands are going to reach out to you. You can charge anywhere between 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees for one shout out, for one brand endorsement. All right, guys. So this is how you grow on LinkedIn. And now comes the task. The task is simple. Go to resumeworded.com, upload your profile, get a score of 80 plus, take a screenshot and upload the profile and upload the screenshot along with your profile on Facebook group. So that's it about this video, guys. I hope you found the session to be insightful. If you have any doubts, any queries, any questions in your mind, please feel free to ask me in the Facebook group. So that's it about this video, guys. This is Imran here signing off until we meet again in the next one.